This time I'm starting the video with my makeup already done. Today I filmed an everyday makeup tutorial using drugstore products rather than high-end products because I realized that some people don't have high-end products and it's good to know what kind of dupes there are out there and just to help you out to figure out how to do your makeup on a budget. Yeah, how to do your makeup on a budget and still make it look pretty good. And you know, it took me a long time to get the kind of makeup that I have today, and most of it I bought with like my own money from like either working or like birthdays and stuff like that. So let's just get into it. I already did my eyes because none of my eye products are really drugstore, and my eyebrows I used the Anastasia pomade, and then I used my Soft Glam palette, which is like, I think it was like 40 bucks, and that's more expensive. I don't remember how much my pomade was. And my concealer that I used to set my eyes was the Tarte Tape Shape, so I'm not including that. First process would be to prime. I actually did already prime with my the Professional because I wanted to shape out my eyebrows, and I forgot that this isn't drugstore. But I'm gonna go over the rest of my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. It's the only other primer I have. I have 3 different drugstore foundations. I have the Maybelline New York, this new one that they just came out with. I don't like it very much. I don't really like that. I have the Fit Me, which I used for so long and I love. But I switched this out a while ago for the Dream Liquid Mousse, and this is my favorite, and this is the one I'm going to be using today. I'm in the shade Pure Beige, so I'll just put like 4 pumps in my hand. So next I'm going to powder. I'm going to just use the powder that I always use, which is the Fit Me powder. I use 130 Buff Beige, or sometimes I'll use 220 Natural Beige. They're very different. I don't see much of a difference, so I just use whatever one's in here. And I have both. Concealer, I just use the Fit Me concealer. It's pretty much empty. I don't even know if I'll have enough, but it is very similar to the Shape Tape actually. Turns out I did have enough, so thank God. I'm gonna blend it in. Also very lightweight. So to bake, I'll just use the Coty Airspun powder like I usually use in my everyday makeup routine. Let me think about what I have to do next. Alright, now I'm going to contour. I use the Fit Me Stick Foundation as just a contour shade. I use the darkest one they have. So starting over here, I'll just go like that. Bring some warmth to my face. This is scary. I'm just very excited, of course, about pitching you. My ideas haven't been raised. Oops. Yes, the community. It is noble. I think the most important thing to do is prayer. My districts has been. I'll just use this to replace the Hoola Benefit bronzer if I'm going for a more drugstore type of thing, or if I'm going for more precise. Because when I bronze, it really just like, it's just a quick little thing just to make sure I don't look pale. But contouring is very different in my opinion, and that just makes sure like I look sharp. My nose contour is awful. I'm gonna wipe away my bake. So my blush already is drugstore. It's the Butter Blush by Definitions formula. Can't find my brush. Oh, it's right here. It was right in front of me. So pack it on and put it. Ooh, that was too much. Alright. Put it on the apples on my cheeks. Can smile. And I'm gonna highlight. I'm gonna use the Milani strobe light highlighter. I use this every day. I mean, I don't use like a high-end highlighter, although I want to. I really do. So I'll put that on my nose, make my contour look a little bit better. Put some on my cheeks, only a little bit. Alright, just a little bit. And then that's all I need. Put some on my inner eye corners. Eat. It's been such a long time since I wore makeup. I haven't been wearing it recently. I'm gonna finish my like under eye off camera since I don't use a drugstore palette. So for mascara, I use the Last Sensational mascara. It is Drugstore, and I'll use that to finish my bottom. So I'll moisten my lips. Ew. I'll make them not dry with my EOS lip chapstick. So that's it for my drugstore everyday makeup routine for when I decide to not use my high-end products and go for my drugstore products that I used when I first started doing my makeup. Whoa, this turned off. So I hope you liked it, and I hope that you found some new products that you could start using, and I'll see you next time I decide to record.